If you're looking for an easy way to collect W-9s or tax information automatically from affiliates, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to simplify this process so you can save time and avoid the hassle of doing it manually. Whether you're managing a small affiliate program or scaling up, you need a reliable system for collecting that tax data. Keep watching because by the end of this video, I'll share an exclusive free trial for a software that will make this all a breeze. So, why automate this? You're probably handling multiple affiliates, and getting all the tax details like W-9s can be a pain. Manually chasing down these forms leads to delays, headaches, and potentially even missed tax deadlines. Fortunately, there are ways to automate this process, so affiliates can submit their information directly to you without constant reminders. The solution? A powerful software tool that collects W-9s or tax information directly from your affiliates. Using this software, you can send out secure links where affiliates can fill in their info, and it gets stored safely in your system, ready for tax season. The best part? You don't have to deal with manual uploads or tracking down forms from each individual. Here's how it works. First, you set up an account with the software, then create a form specifically for W-9 collection. This is often a simple process. You just customize the fields as needed, ensuring that you're collecting the right information, whether it's their name, address, or social security number. You'll then create a secure branded link and send it to your affiliates. Once they fill it out, the software will automatically store the information in your account. You'll get notified when a submission is made, and everything will be neatly organized. It's completely automatic, meaning you'll never have to deal with a missing W-9 form again. Plus, the software often includes additional features like automatic reminders for affiliates who haven't submitted their forms yet. But you're probably wondering, which software should I use? I've tested a few popular options, and after all that, the software we'll be using today is hands down the best. It's easy to set up, secure, and it integrates with most affiliate management systems. Not only does it save you time, but it ensures compliance with tax regulations, helping you stay on top of everything. I'll also give you an exclusive free trial of this software, just for viewers of my channel. You can find that link in the description below, so you can follow along and get started with the tool right away. Now, a quick key takeaway. Automating the process of collecting W-9s or tax information from your affiliates is essential for reducing headaches and staying compliant. With the right software, this entire process can run on autopilot. You'll never have to chase down tax forms again. Just set up your link, send it out, and let the software do the rest. To recap, here's what you need to do. Set up your account with the software, create your W-9 form, send it to your affiliates, and let the software handle the rest. Make sure you take advantage of the exclusive free trial I mentioned earlier in the description to get started today. Thanks for watching, and remember, automating your affiliate tax collection will save you time, prevent mistakes, and make your business run smoothly.